Ever wanted to manage all your emails from one place? Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add your Hotmail account to Gmail. The full 2025 method that's simple, secure, and saves you time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. Next, head to the Account and Import tab at the top. This is where you can connect other email accounts. Under the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will appear asking for the email address you'd like to add. Here, type in your Hotmail address and hit Next. You'll now get two options. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3, and click Next again. Gmail usually fills in the correct server details for Hotmail automatically, but double check everything just to be safe. Enter your Hotmail password and make sure the options below fit your preference. For example, whether you want Gmail to leave a copy of your messages on the Hotmail server. Once you're done reviewing, click Add Account. And that's it. Your Hotmail is now successfully linked with Gmail. From now on, all your Hotmail emails will appear right in your Gmail inbox, letting you read, reply, and manage everything from one place. No switching tabs or apps. So if you're tired of juggling between multiple email platforms, this quick setup is a total game changer. Try it out and enjoy a smoother, more unified inbox experience.